Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. You are watching the Coin Monitor. Leading virtual digital assets or VDA markets traded firm on Friday, held by easing fears of rate hikes alongside the pullback in the US Treasuries and the dollar. Bitcoin traded above the $27,000 crucial mark. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 2.5% at 35,100 points. Meanwhile, the social media update suggests that the US SEC reportedly asked ETF filers to update their application to be able to approve and start trading next week because of a looming government shutdown. Moving on, Ethereum or ETH, the second largest crypto in market value, outperformed Bitcoin. It rallied to $1,660 as investor hopes rose for a potential US regulatory green light for a futures-based. Interestingly, the SEC granted the investment manager Valkyrie Funds LLC permission to include ETH futures in its current BTC futures ETF. The renamed ETF will be launched by Valkyrie. According to data from Glassnode, long-term investors have consistently raised their shares while short-term traders have been selling off their Bitcoin holdings. However, the recent increase in Bitcoin's price may be attributed to reasons such as increased demand and less market volatility due to less frequent trading, analysts believe. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.08 trillion mark, increasing 2.2% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes increased by 8% to $32 billion. In an interesting piece of news, broader market movements were completely in sync with large tokens. Comp, Aave, and MKR, governance tokens of top DeFi lending platforms Compound, Aave, and Maker, enjoyed 21%, 10%, and 5% gains, respectively. Well, LDO, the token of the leading liquid staking platform Lido Finance, jumped nearly 9%. In addition, VanEck submitted paperwork for its own futures-based ETH ETF, adding to already submitted filings from Grayscale, ProShares, and Bitwise, among others. Adding further spin to trade setups is today's quarterly and monthly options expiry, when some $4.8 billion worth of BTC and ETH options will expire on key derivatives exchange Deribit. Further, the prospect of exchange-traded fund or ETF launch encouraged trader participation. US stock futures rose as investors prepared to end a critical month of September. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average added 136 points, Nasdaq 100 futures gained 0.6%, and S&P 500 futures climbed 0.4%. Bitcoin was trading at $27,040, up by 2.4%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 3.3%, trading at $1,672. On my left, BNB was up by 1.5% to trade at $216. Solana Sol was up by 5% and was trading at $20.2. Talking about Cardano's ADA token, it was up by 2.5% to trade at $0.25. Next on the list, Avalanche AVAX was trading at $9.3, higher by 2%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 2.5% to trade at $0.52. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 1.5% at $0.061, and Shiba Inu was trading down by 1.7%. While Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.50, up by 2%. Polkadot was up by 1.6% to trade at $4. And now let's move on to our expert, Mr. Suraj Chawla, to understand fundamental difference in valuation between crypto tokens and the stocks that are commanding premium based on AI-driven products.
Hi everyone, this is Suraj, founder of GPU.net. So today I want to comment on the bigger situation. It is important to look at it when you consider, where is Web3 going. Today it's almost 1 trillion market, out of which Bitcoin is half of it. And people are always looking at it, when is the bull market coming, right? That's when every price is going up. Bitcoin is going to 70,000 or maybe 100,000 or 200,000. So you have to understand things what really cause this. Okay, now one thing is the fundamental. Okay, why is Web3 actually better than Web2? If you compare to Web2, if all Web3 today, all tokens have a combined market cap of around 1 trillion. All the Web2 stocks have a combined market cap of around 100 trillion. Okay, that includes your top 10 projects like Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Google, Tesla. Okay, so what is there in this 100 trillion or in these stocks that is not there in Web3 today? Why is this 100x of this? So one thing is of course legacy, because we all started Web2 and world is moving to Web3. But another thing that the top projects in Web2 are doing, if you see, number one, all of them are very complex businesses. Okay, if you look at Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, none of them is doing like one thing. Okay, they are very highly complex businesses. Number two, they all occupy a very good cash flow.
Thank you so much, Mr. Suraj Chawla, for joining us. Well, that's all in the Coin Monitor. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such Web3 market-related updates, log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. With 3.0 TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain. Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs. Come explore and evolve with 3.0 TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.0 TV delivers the news that matters.